This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if necessary, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click at the screen install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can just go ahead and launch it. Once opening Opera for the first time, it is required that we undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So tap the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to set Opera, enable notifications for Opera. You can either enable them or skip this step. The same goes for the next page that suggests that you set Opera as your default browser app. And finally, on this little page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.